Hello everyone. So today let us learn something about pronunciation. Pronunciation means it is the correct way of saying a word. So pronunciation ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. Silent letters andre enu? Letters that are written but not pronounced. For example, night, wrist, comb. So in the first word night, K is silent. In the second word wrist, W is silent. In the third word comb, here B is silent. So this is how the letter is written in the word but it is not pronounced. So such letters are known as silent letters. ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಅಕ್ಷರವನ್ನ ಬಳಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಆದರೆ ಆ ಶಬ್ದ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಲ್ಪಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತಹ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈ ಶಬ್ದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡೆಟ್, doubt, subtle, thumb, lamb, comb. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮಸಲ್, ಸಿಸರ್ಸ್, ಸೀನ್, ಸೆಂಟ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವೆನಿಸ್ಡೇ, handsome, sandwich. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೈನ್, ಡಿಸೈನ್, ಫಾರಿನ್, ನಾ. ಈ ಶಬ್ದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಚ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್, ಆರ್, ಆಡ್, ಆನರ್. And we have a look at some more examples. In these words, L is silent. Calm, half, talk, walk, could, should, would. In these words, N is silent. Autumn, column, solemn, hymn. In these words, P is silent. Psychology, pneumonia, receipt, psalm. Here S is silent. Island, isle, debris, corp. In these words T is silent. Listen, castle, whistle, fasten, Christmas. Here U is silent. Guess, guitar, guard, guide. Here W is silent. Right, wrong, wrist, answer, sword. Here GH is silent. Night, light, daughter, though, through. Here in these words MB is silent. We have two silent letters here. Lamb, thumb, climb, bomb, comb. Okay, high priority words for exams. So the words knee, knife, night, no, knock. So in these words K is silent. Right, wrong, wrist, rap, answer. Here W is silent. Lamb, thumb, climb, doubt, debt. So here B is silent. Honest, R, air, honor. H is silent here. Here P is silent. Psychology, pneumonia, psalm. Walk, talk, calm, half, could, should, would. Listen, castle, whistle, fasten. Sign, design, foreign. autumn, column, solemn, scissors, muscle, scene, scent. Next, we will see some examples here. So which word has a silent K? So in these words where the word K is, the letter K is used but it is silent, the answer is no. The second example, choose the word with a silent letter. Water, right, window, wonder. So here the word with silent letter is right. The third example, choose the word without silent letter. So here det has a silent letter, doubt has a silent letter, and subtle has a silent letter, but bed does not have silent letter. So bed itself is the right answer. The next example, odd one out. House, happy, honest, hungry. So here all the words are pronounced, but there is one word which has a silent letter. Of course it is C, honest. Honest. Okay. The next example, which word has a silent at the beginning? So here the candidate is asked to find out the word which has a silent letter at the beginning of the word. Paper, people, psychology, pencil. So here answer is psychology. Next example, which word is different from others in terms of the silent letter? So let's have a look. Knee, knife, no, wrong. So here the word which is different from others is wrong. Okay, the seventh example, choose the word that does not contain a silent letter. So reading the question and understanding the question itself makes you find out the correct answer. So here we have to find out the word which does not have any silent letter. The answer is house. Okay. The next example, find the word that contains two silent letters. Here of course we have already discussed the word night. Here K and GH are not pronounced. Okay. Then next example, identify the word in which H is silent. Horse, hospital, or the next holiday. Of course R is the answer. Which word has a silent L? Love, light, walk, long. Of course, walk. Choose the word in which the letter B is not silent. Is not silent. Lamb, tham, climb, number. So here the answer is number because here B is pronounced. Okay. Then which word contains a silent B at the end? Rob, club, lamb, grab. So in the word rob, club and grab, B is pronounced but it is silent in the word lamb. So lamb is the right answer. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, like it, comment and kindly subscribe the channel for further videos for your competitive exams. Thank you.